I don't want to know. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know if you. Sorry that I said I don't want to know. The thing is that yesterday I saw someone was knocking my door, but was not able to get into my room, and I know that my Jesus Christ took care of me. What we're going to do is an unboxing, okay? In the name of the Father, the Holy Spirit, and the Christ, which I know that He can give respect to His holy name, not to my tongue. Okay, we're gonna make an unboxing. You will see the unboxing on here. And this is a speed stick. This is usually what I use. Oops, sorry. Let me take this off here. This is what I use to make my personal care on the arms, but being honest, I will tell you the truth. I don't have a bad smell on the arms. I have developed like a, how can I say? It's like the ability of not having the necessity of this, but I will show you. Just sometimes I use it just in case, because we are all humans, and there are people that are more sensible in the noise than others, and maybe I think that I don't feel anything smelling bad, but at the end maybe I am for others. Also, I will show you this, which is a new mouse. We can unbox it. Once was Jesus passing by for a tree, and when he didn't found fruit, what he did? He cursed it. But if he finds fruit, what he will do? He will bless it. That is what you're seeing now, a blessing of Jesus Christ. Sometimes we are too negative to believe those kind of things, but I'm just being honest, and I know that God is not with a hammer, like many people say. And it's truth. Okay, this is the mouse. It's just a simple mouse. Everything that I'm showing you is very compact. And being honest, since I was very young, I was able to use these kind of things. But you have to be humble sometimes to go back to where you were when you were young, because if it works, that is enough. We can even test if this is going to work. We have to take the ties of this, the knots. That is here. By the way, I am in my bedroom. This is my bedroom. And let's take this off from here, just like this, slowly. I don't used to make unboxings, but I decided to make it today just because I have too much time without buying a lot of things that are useful for my computer. And being honest, what I use the most is my computer. Even though I meditate, I do meditation, the truth is that if you also use your computer in a good way, look, if you, that this is the old one and this is the new one. I'm gonna take off the old one and I'm gonna connect the new one. Let's see. Now let's test it, and you can see that it's working. I can place, for example, part of my password or something like that. Let's go with the mouse as well. By the way, this thin mouse, this used to have another name. I know that because I used to be a developer since a lot of time ago, but I'm not gonna go through those limits, being honest, because I think that maybe it's not healthy. And you can see the mouse moving over there. And that's everything. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna log in because this is an unboxing video, not like a whole demonstration of everything. I mean, you can see that actually it's working because if I hit on the eraser button, it works. This is the eraser button, okay? This one here. There is another way to erase, and it is on the delete button, which is also located here. Suprime, but it's not suprime. It is in Spanish it's suprimir, but in English it is just back raise, something like that. I don't know the name. Being honest, I do know it, but I don't remember right now. So see you the next time, and thank you for everything. Jesus Christ of Nazareth bless you. Remember that He is always with you, and He loves you much more than simply materialistic things.